Hello, and welcome to Everyday English Treats. Today's word of the day is resilient. Let's discover what this inspiring word means. Resilient means being able to recover quickly from difficulties and adapt to challenges. A resilient person stays strong, learns from setbacks, and keeps moving forward. Here's an example. Despite facing many challenges, she remained resilient and achieved her goals. This means she overcame obstacles, stayed determined, and eventually succeeded. Now it's your turn. Can you create your own sentence using the word resilient? Comment down below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Learn a little, speak a little, and grow a little every day. See you soon!